Take a close look at the screen you're watching this on. Tap the glass. It feels solid, right? But what if I told you that the physical device sitting in your hands right now is completely fake? What if everything you experience, your room, your city, your entire life, is actually a highly advanced video game, and you are just a character inside it, completely unaware you're playing? We rely entirely on what we can see, touch, and hear to define what is real. But trusting our biology to tell us the truth about the universe is a massive blind spot. Every single night, your brain locks you inside a hallucination. It constructs entire environments out of nowhere, pumping your nervous system with artificial sensations. While you are dreaming, you rarely question the absurd physics or the shifting landscapes. You are absolutely certain it is reality, right up until the second your eyes open. If a 3-pound mass of biological tissue can seamlessly trick you into accepting a fake world for 8 hours, an unimaginably advanced computer system could easily trap you in one permanently. Just 30 years ago, the absolute peak of consumer computing power was a stack of plastic cartridges running blocky 16-bit sprites. Today, those basic pixels have evolved into ultra-realistic open-world engines. We can render lighting, water physics, and topographies indistinguishable from actual drone footage. Now project that exact rate of progression forward. Give human engineering another 1,000 years, or 10,000 years. Creating a digital universe that flawlessly mimics reality isn't a fantasy. It is an inevitable milestone for any civilization that manages to survive its own technological infancy. This brings us to a strict logic problem proposed by philosopher Nick Bostrom, known as the simulation trilemma. Option 1. Advanced civilizations go extinct before building simulations. Option 2. They survive, but voluntarily never use them. Option 3. They survive and hit run, generating millions of detailed simulated worlds. This leaves a single base reality, completely surrounded by billions of digital copies. Mathematically, if you randomly select a universe from that pile, the odds of picking the one true physical reality are close to 0. You are almost certainly inside one of the copies. We don't have to rely purely on statistics to test this. We can look at the physical universe itself to see if it behaves like code. Consider the strict speed of light, or the freeze of absolute 0. In nature, hard caps are strange, but in computing, maximum processing speeds and hard-coded limits are standard architecture. Then you have the strangeness of quantum mechanics. Subatomic particles remain in a blurry, undefined state of probability until they are actively measured. This is similar to how a game engine conserves memory. It leaves digital environments unrendered, materializing graphics only when the player explicitly looks. The foundational laws of our cosmos operate exactly like resource-saving optimization software, struggling to maintain efficiency over an infinitely expanding map. If this is a simulation, the immediate question becomes, who built it? It could be future generations of humans running ancestral models, a bizarre alien intelligence, or something we lack the cognitive hardware to even imagine. We naturally assume we are the focal point, but humans could easily be irrelevant background assets. The simulation might be designed to study planetary orbits or black holes, and we are just accidental mold growing on a digital rock. Physicists have seriously proposed looking for measurable glitches in the universe, imperfections in cosmic rays, or mathematical drift that would prove we are trapped in a coded system. But there is an inescapable trap here. Any scientific test we invent relies entirely on the rules of the simulation itself. If the system is perfect, the evidence will be perfect. Absolute proof of an exit is impossible. Realizing you might be trapped inside a massive hard drive can feel terrifying, but it doesn't actually change your daily life. Whether your coffee is made of swirling atoms or strings of binary code, the warmth of the mug and the taste of the roast remain exactly the same to your conscious mind. Your pain is felt. Your relationships hold weight. The choices you make, the consequences that follow, and the empathy you show are entirely authentic. Even if our entire universe is just a programmed game sitting on an alien server, the only thing that dictates its value is how you choose to play it.